Hi, it's an absolutely perfect day in Coto de Caza. This is November. I'm at the top of our 5th hole on our south golf course. And this plant here is a Grewia occidentalis. It's also known as a lavender star flower because the little flower looks like a lavender star. And it's also known as a crossberry because the berries, they form little crosses. So typically there's 4 berries here, forms a little cross. So this plant is native to South Africa. It grows in the forest and the thickets, the sandy soil, and the rocky soil. Now it's actually a fast-growing, scrambling tree. It can reach about 10 feet tall, but you can grow it as a shrub or on a trellis vine or even a standalone container. Wow. So behind our clubhouse, you can also cut your lavender star like a hedge. We have along this whole area. All right. Got a little flower here. And we even have some fruit. Right here. A little bit of fruit. So the flowers here, take a look at the flowers. So they've got 5 sepals, the little guys, and 5 petals. So we have 10, these purple structures that make up the star. You've got purple type stamens which come up, and they're topped off with the yellow anthers which hold the pollen. And this is a hermaphrodite flower, which means it has both male and female parts, but they don't bloom or mature at the same time. So that means that they'll prevent self-pollination and promote cross-pollination. So this plant is a great pollinator for the bees. This guy is really working in there. So the leaves, they're evergreen, and they'll work themselves alternately up the stem to the top. They're oval shaped. They fold in like a taco, more or less, serrated on the edges. Nice shiny green on top and a little dull on the bottom. The stems, they're very pliable and foldable, and the South Africans would use these for crafts, making tools, and also for the bows for their arrows. And the fruit, here's the fruit, right? It starts out green, sort of greenish, and it turns yellowy. Here's yellow, and then it turns this color. This is the good color, and eventually it turns red and brown. So it's edible for the birds. They love it, and even humans can eat it. So, tastes like apricot jam. Now you can also ferment this plant and make an alcoholic beverage out of it. All right. Now if you want to grow this by seed, what you'll do is you'll pick off a seed. You soak them for about 2 days in water. You drain them in a fertile loam. You aerate them. You maintain high humidity. You keep at temperature between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And they ought to germinate within 2 to 6 weeks. So, this is our Grewia occidentalis. It's a great shrub. It looks invasive and aggressive, but it's really not. You can tame these back quite easily in your garden or your open area. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and please have a great day. Bye.